Hello, welcome to the unboxing of Soldering Iron TS100. This is one of the most used small soldering irons. It is available on various Chinese shops, and you can buy it for around $50 US. If you're lucky, you can get it for around 45, which I think I got it on Banggood. So let's open it and see what it looks like. You can see the box here. Nothing too interesting. It's very tiny because they're able to put it in your mailbox, so you don't have to go to the post office. It looks that it arrived in one piece. Okay, so here is the instruction manual. Probably warranty card or something. The instruction manual, which is in, I see Russian, I see English, and that's about it. There is no Chinese. Okay, and here it is. It is really tiny. This is the tip. And this is the pan itself, which should have LCD display to tell you probably the temperature of the soldering iron. Of course, you don't get any DC adapters for it. You will have to use a DC adapter from your notebook or just get one on. So how does it fit? Probably just like this. I don't know whether you have to know. You probably have to use this small tool in order to put it there. There are two screws. We are going to give it a try with this old IBM notebook adapter. The soldering iron should have adapter which is between 12 and 24 volts. This is, I believe, 16. And so hopefully the jack fits, the polarity is okay, so hopefully it'll work. And here is the instruction manual. Here you can see the voltage and how long it takes to reach the temperature of 300 degrees. So we are using 16 volts adapter, which should reach 300 degree, from 30 to 300 degree temperature in about 20 seconds. Moment of truth. So here you can see how it reaches certain temperature by warming up. So right now it's at 300 degrees Celsius. Pretty quick, if you ask me. So right now it's calibrating itself, and it should reach room temperature, and when it reaches room temperature the calibration is over. So as I said, really tiny. Everybody says it's good, so we will see on our first project when we have to solder something. Thanks for watching and see you next time.